Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, we are going to talk about banking and financial awareness related topic for your upcoming bank interview. So, first thing I would like to clear to each and everyone, like what I see कि बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स जो भी पीओ के इंटरव्यू की तैयारी कर रहे होते हैं वो जब अपना स्टडी स्टार्ट करते हैं दे स्टार्ट विद बैंकिंग एंड फाइनेंशियल अवेयरनेस विच इज अ रॉन्ग थिंग राइट सो योर प्रायोरिटी शुड बी एचआर क्वेश्चन देन current affairs then general question then come to banking and financial awareness. Why so? Because like if you see the syllabus of banking and financial awareness, that is quite vast and you can prepare some limited topic. I'll show you. I have created one list for you, so go for these particular topics and that is definitely going to help you and take a basic idea. Okay, so if examine like during your interview if you stuck with some topic, so you can just pass that particular question, right? So your priority should be HR question because you guys know first impression that like when you introduce yourself, when you answer general questions, current related questions, so it will give you some confidence and even like it will give confidence to bank interviewer as well, right? So in this particular video we are going to talk about banking and financial awareness question and which should be your last priority during the preparation, right? So we'll jump to these particular topic. So my first topic for all of you, that is something related to current, that is a recession. Recession is generally part of inflation topic. Whenever you study inflation, so you read about inflation related terms. So recession again, like there are so many authors, economists, those who announced recession for 2023. They said about these particular things. So like this particular term was in news in last 2-3 months. So examiner or that interviewer, they may ask question based on inflation related things. So you can go through these particular one and mix up with some current related news, right? Then second one, that is monetary policy. This is one of the most favorite topic for interviewer. So if you see last 10-year interviews now, every time out of 10 they ask 7 to 8 times question related monetary policy. What is monetary policy, or the monetary policy instruments like CRR, SLR, repo, how RBI use these particular tools to control inflation or to manage liquidity in the economy. So with basic information, like let's say you know about repo rate, how it work, these two things you need to know, right? Then we have budget 2023-24. So as you guys know, budget day is 1st February. So 1st February in our parliament will finance minister, they'll present budget for upcoming financial year, which is 23-24, right? So what are your expectations? Again, your viewpoints on budget, right? So you need to clear about economic survey, budget and all. If your let's say if your interview is being held after union budget, let's say your interview date is 15th of February, right? So they are definitely going to ask question based on the current budget, right? So you need to study current budget or the economic survey and all, right? So next one we have functions of RBI. Sometimes student miss this particular one, like if you like sometime there are number of cases. चीजें कैसे होती हैं? You enter in that particular hall for an interview, you introduce yourself, everything is going well. Now the examiner asks, tell me the top 5 functions performed by RBI. So here you can write your interview. आपको 5 functions बताने हैं. So like अगर आपने कभी सोचा नहीं है ना, you'll get confused definitely, believe me guys. So 5 functions. Now next question will be based on your these 5 functions. तो आपको वो चीजें टिप्स पर रखनी है और अगला क्वेश्चन क्या हो सकता है उसको भी आपको प्रिपेयर करना है. Hope you getting my point, right? Next one is digital banking. We have number of tool like RBI e-Rupee, we have UPI, BHIM, IBPS, NAS, NFS. So there are number of banking tool which we generally use on day-to-day basis. So examiner sometimes they ask question based on these particular one as well. Now next one, again this question as well. So basically student ignore this question as well. So functions of bank, how bank generate money, or how bank generate like this income. Okay, so that is also known as credit creation by bank. So you need to be clear about this particular thing as well. Then we have PSL guidelines, priority sector lendings rules. So I would suggest to all of my students, please go through these particular rules. And sometime examiner, they generally ask question based on these particular areas as well. Now rural banking, for public sector bank, this is a very big challenge and very big scope. So what is rural banking, how government is or these public sector banks are helping in rural areas, the related questions. Okay, then we have financial inclusion. Again, this is a initiative taken by public sector banks or government initiatives, and what is inclusion and all. Then we have Indian economy. You may get question based on Indian economy, so like key areas, GDP, or so many times you heard about like India will become 3 trillions, 5 trillions, these targets. And the key areas like agriculture, we have maximum dependency on agriculture, but if you talk about the contribution, we have maximum contribution from tertiary sector, which is service sector. So these kind of data you need to go through. Okay, so these are some top, or we can say hot topic for banking and financial awareness. But I'll still say, first prepare your HR interview, then go for general questions, and then come to current affairs, and then finally come to this one. And do not worry about banking and financial awareness. Try your best, go for basic concept and their implementations, and that is definitely going to help you. Okay, so guys, hope you get this particular thing clearly. Still, if you have any query in your mind, so if you have any concern about these particular topic, how to study these particular topic, and what kind of questions you may face from that particular topic, so do mention in comment section. I'll definitely come with some videos. Okay, and if you want free mock test from me, so you can also ping me on WhatsApp, right? So hope you enjoy the video. If you like, please do share with your friends and do subscribe my channel. Thank you guys. Bye bye. Take care all.